The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been generating plenty of excitement ahead of its expected January launch. Leaks and rumors surrounding Samsung's upcoming flagship device have given tech enthusiasts a glimpse of what could be one of the most groundbreaking smartphones yet. A recently surfaced hands-on video has fueled even more speculation, hinting at a significant design evolution. With sleek, rounded edges and a refined build, the S25 Ultra looks like it has been crafted with both aesthetics and comfort in mind, potentially setting a new standard for premium smartphones. The leaked video, which made its way online, showcases a fresh design approach compared to the S24 Ultra. The updated ergonomics, featuring rounded corners and a subtly curved midframe that blends into the back, suggests that Samsung has prioritized user comfort this time around. Such design improvements could make the device easier to handle during extended use, addressing one of the common complaints about its predecessors. It's not just about looks. This updated design appears to balance visual appeal with practical usability. Another noticeable update is the flat metal sides combined with impressively slim and uniform bezels, giving the phone a sleek and modern appearance. The layout remains user-friendly, with the power and volume buttons conveniently placed on the right side. On the back, the quad-camera setup stands out, and if rumors are to be believed, it includes a periscope-style telephoto lens for improved zoom capabilities. This addition could be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts who crave sharp, detailed shots even from a distance. As for the rumored specifications, they're equally impressive and point toward a device built to excel in almost every aspect. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to feature a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, known for its vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and smooth responsiveness. This screen could offer an unparalleled visual experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. On the camera front, Samsung appears to have packed the S25 Ultra with hardware to satisfy even the most demanding photographers. The front is rumored to include a 12-megapixel selfie camera capable of capturing sharp and natural-looking portraits, while the rear camera array could house a 200-megapixel primary sensor for unmatched detail, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Such a versatile setup could make the S25 Ultra an ideal companion for anyone looking to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups. Powering this beast is expected to be the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, a processor known for delivering exceptional performance. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to 1 TB, the S25 Ultra could handle heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and even professional-level video editing with ease. On the software side, it's rumored to run Android 15-based One UI 7, offering a streamlined and intuitive experience. Samsung's commitment to providing extended software updates further ensures that the phone will remain relevant for years. Durability and battery life are also key areas where Samsung seems to have made strides. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring it can withstand everyday challenges. A 5,000 mAh battery could provide all-day usage, while fast charging support, both wired and wireless, might allow users to quickly top up and get back to using their devices without much downtime. These features, combined with stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience, round out what appears to be a well-thought-out package. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if these leaks are accurate, represents a major leap forward in smartphone design and functionality. By refining its design and incorporating cutting-edge technology, Samsung could set a benchmark for other manufacturers to follow. This phone is not just about keeping up with trends. It seems to be about pushing boundaries and delivering a product that's as enjoyable to use as it is advanced in its capabilities. As the official launch approaches, excitement continues to build. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could very well redefine what users expect from a premium smartphone, blending innovative features with a thoughtful design. While the leaks offer plenty of reasons to be intrigued, the full picture will only become clear once Samsung unveils the device officially. For now, the anticipation surrounding the S25 Ultra serves as a testament to Samsung's ability to innovate and captivate its audience with each new release. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.